Hello, welcome to Breaking Sign, where we bring you the latest in architecture innovation. Today, imagine living in a home that feels like a part of the ocean, that rises and falls with the tides, that blends and contrasts with the sand and the sky. That's what the Bridgehampton Beach House offers, a spectacular residence that expresses the relationship between the ocean and the coastline through a tactile and contrasting approach to material choice. In this video, we will explore how Stephen Harris Architects and Rees Roberts Plus Partners created this unique, organic form amid the coastal surrounds. Let's dive in. The concept. The concept of the Bridgehampton Beach House was inspired by the idea of balancing the notion of floating with solidity, of creating a home that is both light and heavy, fluid and stable. The architects looked at the works of Brazilian modernists, such as Oscar Niemeyer and Lina Bo-Bardi, who designed buildings that harmonized with the landscape and the climate, using curves and angles, concrete and glass, to create a sense of movement and dynamism. The architects wanted to translate this style to the Australian context and culture, and to the specific site of the house. The site. The site of the Bridgehampton Beach House is a prime location on the oceanfront, with panoramic views of the water and the horizon. The site is also surrounded by sand dunes, which provide privacy and protection from the neighbors and the wind. The site is also influenced by the natural elements, such as the sun, the rain, and the seasons, creating a changing and diverse environment. The architects wanted to take advantage of the site's potential and create a home that responds to the natural elements and enhances the connection between the indoors and the outdoors. The form. The form of the Bridgehampton Beach House is based on a simple and elegant geometry, a rectangular concrete slab that floats above the ground, supported by slender columns and beams. The slab contains the main living spaces, which are open and flexible, allowing for different configurations and activities. The slab also extends beyond the building envelope, creating generous terraces and overhangs that provide shade and shelter. The slab is perforated by circular openings that bring light and air into the interior, as well as create a playful contrast with the straight lines of the structure. The materials. The materials of the Bridgehampton Beach House are carefully chosen to reflect the character and the quality of the home. The main material is concrete, which is used for the slab, the columns, the beams, and the walls. Concrete is a durable and robust material that can withstand the harsh coastal conditions and age gracefully over time. Concrete also has a smooth and refined texture that contrasts with the rough and organic nature of the site. The other materials are stone and timber, which are used for the flooring, the furniture, the joinery, and the details. Stone and timber are warm and natural materials that add a touch of coziness and comfort to the home. They also complement the concrete and create a balanced and harmonious palette. The landscape. The landscape of the Bridgehampton Beach House is an integral part of the design and the experience of the home. The landscape is composed of both natural and curated elements, which create a rich and diverse setting. The natural elements include the ocean, the vegetation, the rocks, and the sand, which are preserved and enhanced by the home. The curated elements include the pool, the lawn, the garden, and the sculptures, which are designed and arranged to create a functional and aesthetic space. The landscape also connects the home with the context and the culture, as it reflects the local flora and fauna, as well as the family's hobbies and interests. The art. The art of the Bridgehampton Beach House is another important aspect of the design and the expression of the home. The home is filled with an extensive and treasured collection of artworks, ranging from paintings and sculptures to murals and installations. The art not only adds color and personality to the home, but also integrates itself into the architecture, creating a dialogue between the built and the artistic forms. The art also communicates the story of the home, as a place of creativity, inspiration, and joy. The Bridgehampton Beach House is a stunning home that floats and flows with nature, that expresses the relationship between the ocean and the coastline through a tactile and contrasting approach to material choice. The home is a masterpiece of architecture and landscape design, that showcases the best of simplicity, elegance, and integration with nature. The home is also a sanctuary, where the family can enjoy the beauty and the tranquility of the site, and celebrate the art of living. Well, thanks for joining us today on Breaking Sign. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more exciting architecture insights. Until next time, keep creative idea running.